Hello everyone and welcome to another review here at shop4downloads.com, and in this review we're going to be covering some additional features of the multimedia autoresponder software script. Again, this is going to help you augment all of your email marketing communications directly through your web server. And as what we covered last time was some of the main features, such as how to set up an autoresponder and going through that process. But what I want to show you now is just some of the other features that are very important to understand, so you can really see the power of this. The first thing is adding prospects or adding contacts directly into to get your campaigns. As you can see here, for our active campaign that we have going on right now. This is what we have here. Again, we can always go back and change whatever our active campaign is right here. But I'm going to go back here to what I have. And again, what you can actually do is when you're going into add new contacts directly into your list, very simply, you can either add them in manually here, so putting in their name, their email, and then you can add them in, or you can actually upload this through a TXT or CSV file. So again, if you have contacts maybe in your CRM system and you want to export that, you can actually just upload that CSV file directly into here, and it'll automatically add them, which you'll be able to see down here into your list. And you'll be able to sort that out by page, and so on. So again, that makes it very simple to add them in to that particular list. You can also it's very simple to search for a prospect. So you could search for when maybe they were added to your list, and or again, you could see all of the information here. If they're active or inactive, if they've unsubscribed. So again, it's using all of the can spam compliances as far as unsubscription, or giving them the ability to unsubscribe. So again, it shows you basically all of the information that you're going to need to know. Also, is tracking as well. You're going to be able to know, again, who actually, or who actually engaged into your actual campaigns that went out. So who clicked or who actually opened them up. You'll be able to see that information as well. You'll also be able to put contact forms onto your website. So you could see here, if you wanted to create a contact form, you could add in the very basic. It's automatically set up where it has name and email address, but you can also add address, city, state, zip, country. You can also change the redirect URL. So once they actually sign up, so let's just say you put the form here on your website, once they actually sign up, what page are you sending them to? Is it a page where it has download of an ebook? Maybe you want part of your incentive to sign up for the email list is to give them something. You could send them directly to that. But again, all of that information you can actually change directly in the actual software here itself. So again, that makes it very, very, very simple to do. So I'm going to go back here just a little bit and just touch on a couple other things. Again, we covered pretty much everything in the prospects. Also, again, uploading multimedia files, we'll be able to do that very simply. So you can see here you have your audio files, your video files, your attachment files, which would be like maybe images or maybe a Word document you have. You could very simply go in here, title that, as well as upload that directly from your computer, and again, that'll automatically store that for you. So again, what happens there is when you go back to actually setting up your campaign, whether it's an autoresponder, and or if you're sending out a broadcast email, when you go to do that, you can actually you'll see your attachment right here. So again, this just automates the way of actually putting that in. So when they get the email, they actually have the attachment. And so that way you don't have to worry about linking to that or putting that file somewhere in your server and then linking to that directly from the email itself. So it makes it very, very, very simple to do. So again, that's just a couple things on the additional features. There's also help here as well. So if you're not sure how to do something, there's a tutorial here tutorials of just about every part of this that will walk you through exactly how to set it up, as well as how to execute certain campaigns. And so on. So again, this is really from soup to nuts. This is really covering everything for you as far as the email marketing directly from your server, directly from your website. Again, so again, you can pick up a copy of the multimedia autoresponder campaign or autoresponder software script directly at shop4 downloads.com.